How to add music on Messenger Note. In this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can easily add your favorite music as notes on Messenger app. First thing you want to make sure is that your Messenger app is up to date. So quickly head over to your Play Store and make sure that your app is updated to the latest version. And once you do that, you should see this Your Note option at the top of your chat list. Just tap on it to post a note. You can share a thought and type in anything you want. And once you do that, just tap on the music icon to choose your music. You can search for different musics right here. So just choose the part of the music that you want to share like this. You can share up to 30 seconds or less. And once you do that, just tap on done and it will be shared with a note that you just typed in. Just tap on share and you are good to go. If you found the video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you on the next one.